Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we revise lesson number 4. Plant as food. So we learn about different types of food in lesson number 4. So today's topic is how we identify the fruits and vegetable with one activity. So we also learn that how we divide fruits and vegetables. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. Every problem is an opportunity for a solution. When you get any problem, then you get opportunity for solution of this problem. So you have to take this opportunity to solve this problem, and you can solve the many problem by this. So let's start our today's lecture. So, what we learn today? Today, we learn about fruits, vegetables, and spelling of fruits and vegetables. So, we already learn all these things in lesson number 3 and 4. So, today we write the spelling of fruits and vegetables, and we also learn that which is fruit and which is vegetable. So let's start today's topic. Before we start our today's topic, you have to take your book and pencil because you have to write all spelling in your book. So before we start our lecture, let's revise what we learn in lesson number 4. So we learn in lesson number 4 that so many different types of food we get from plant and we eat in every day. So we also start our day with food which we get from plant like tea, coffee, sugar and many other things like breads, butter and all these things. But from this we get only some food from plant and other food we get from animals. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food which we get from plant. So we get so many food from plant. Here you can see the picture of vegetables like broccoli, carrot, chili, pumpkin, tomato, onion. So this all food we get from plant. We learn in lesson number 3 that plant has many parts, and from lesson number 4 we learn that every part of the plant give us food. So today we learn about all these things. Here you can see the picture of one basket with fruits and vegetables. You can see here pineapple, banana, drumstick and brinjal. So these all are we get from plant. We also learn in lesson number 4 that we get cereals and pulses. So we get pulses also from plants like peas, kidney beans and green peas, yellow peas and many others. So we learn in lesson number 4 about food we get from plant like fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. So here you can see the picture of pulses. We also learn that the things which we drink in morning like tea, coffee and sugar we get from plant. In lesson number 4 we learn that we get tea powder from tea leaf which is a plant of tea. So we get coffee from coffee seeds which is a seed of the plant, and we get sugar from sugar cane. So we learn that plant give us many food. We also learn that cereals like wheat, which we use in our food everyday life. In morning also, in afternoon also, in evening also. We use wheat flour in our food in morning, breakfast, in lunch and in dinner. We also eat rice in our meal. So these all things we get from plants. These all are cereals which we eat to grow our body. So today we learn about fruits and vegetables. So in lesson number 4 we learn about many types of fruit like watermelon, papaya, mango and strawberry. In this lesson we learn that some vegetables are also fruits of the plant, but today we divide these vegetables and fruit as we eat, not as a part of the plant. So we identify the fruits and vegetable with their spelling. So we get vegetables and fruits from plant. We get fruits like pomegranate, apple, orange, lemon, mango, brinjal, peach or apricot. Here is a one fruit, but this fruit have two names. So when we learn about fruits, we can understand that some fruits and vegetable have two names. Then tomato is vegetable, but it is a fruit of the plant. So here you can see some vegetables like broccoli, which is a flower of the plant, and in second picture you can see some fruits also and some vegetables also like garlic, carrot, banana, apple, chili, spinach and all these things. So these all are vegetables which we get from plant. We also get vegetables like potato, onion, lady's finger and many others. So these all things we get from plant. Like carrot, we also grow the carrot plant, that how carrot growing. Here you can see the vegetables. And here is the picture of fruits like pineapple, strawberry, banana, grapes. All these things we learn in lesson number 4, that how they are start growing. So today we learn about fruit and vegetables. So we also learn the spelling of these fruits and vegetables, and we tick mark the which is a fruit and which is a vegetable. We also write this spelling in our book. We learn about some different types of fruits which we cannot see around us, but they are fruit of the plant. So take your book and pen and start writing the spelling. So let's start. Which is first fruit or vegetable? Here is first picture. Which picture it is? We have to complete this spelling. So here is the spelling of this food, but the spelling is missing some letter. So first we complete this spelling, then we write the whole spelling, and then we tick mark that it is a fruit or vegetable. So which food is here? You can see stem of the plant we learn in lesson number 4. Yes, it is a potato. So what is the spelling of potato? Here is a P we have. So first letter is P, second letter is O. So we write here O. Then T we have. Then next letter is A. And last letter is O. So here we write the spelling of potato. So what is the spelling of potato? P O T A T O. So write the spelling of potato. Now potato is vegetable or fruit? When we eat, is that a vegetable or fruit? We eat as vegetable. As we know that we use potato in every dish. We make a food with potato, with brinjal also, cabbage also, cauliflower also. So potato is most used vegetable in our home. So let's check which is the next food. So here is the food which we use in salad also and in our food for taste. So which vegetable it is? Yes, it is onion. So first we give the missing letter to onion because onion missing some letter. So what is the spelling of onion? We have O, then we write N, then I, then again O and N. So what is the spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N. Onion. So let's write here spelling onion. So you write in your book onion. So onion is a fruit or vegetable. We use in salad also. We use this in our food to make food tasty. So is that fruit? Is that sweet? We eat like apple banana. Apple banana is fruit. No. So it is a vegetable. So we circle the vegetable box. So the onion is O-N-I-O-N. Onion is a vegetable we eat. So like that we see so many food and we write the spelling of it. Let's see what is next one. Yes, I know you all know about this. Which fruit it is? Yes, apple. So when we start learning ABCD, we learn with ABCD, A for apple. So the spelling of apple you all know? Yes. So what is the spelling of apple? We have A, then P, the next letter is again P. So we write here P and L we have and E. So the spelling of apple is A double P L E. So what is the spelling of apple? A double P L E. So we write here spelling of apple. A double P L E, apple. So now apple is fruit or vegetable? Is that vegetable? Yes or no? No. So it is a fruit. So we circle the box of fruit. So what is the spelling of apple? A double P L E. And it is a fruit we eat. So here we write the spelling of apple. Now let's see which is the next food. Here is next food. It's look like leaf and we eat in our food also. It is very healthy food. Let's see which food it is. It is spinach. We learn about this in part of the plant we eat leaf. Yes, it is spinach. We learn about spinach that spinach is very healthy food. We also see the example of one cartoon. The cartoon name is Popeye the Sailor Man. So the Popeye is eating spinach for strength to fight with enemies. So here is spinach. So let's write the spelling of spinach. We have S. Then which letter is come? P. Then I we have. Then N. A. C. H. So what is the spelling of spinach? Spinach. So the spelling of spinach we write here. So let's write here whole spelling spinach. 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 So spinach is fruit or vegetable? When we eat spinach in our food, when we make dish of spinach, is that a fruit or vegetable? Is that fruit? No. So spinach is vegetable we eat. So here the spelling of spinach you have to write in your book, and it is a vegetable. So let's check which is the next one. Yes, green color. So this is a food we eat in our meal. We make dish from it. We eat with roti or chapati. We also use this in salad. Green color leaf. We learn about this in lesson number 4 when we learn about leaf. So it is a leaf of the plant. So the spelling start with C. Now we have to write the whole spelling. First, which food it is? Yes, it is a cabbage. So we learn about cabbage. So what is the spelling of cabbage? C, then A, double B, then again A, G, E. So the spelling of cabbage is C, A, double B, A, G, E. So we write here the whole spelling cabbage. C, A, double B, A, G, E. So now we have to circle, is that a fruit or vegetable? So when we eat cabbage, we eat like fruit, apple, banana, or we eat as vegetable. So we also use this in our diet food, cabbage. So is that fruit or vegetable? Yes, it is vegetable. So we use cabbage as vegetable. So today we learn that which is a fruit and which is a vegetable we eat in our daily life. So here is the spelling of cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, and cabbage is vegetable. Now let's see which is the next one. Yes, it's very yummy. So I know that you all know about this. We also learned one story about this. Frogs and grapes. So here is the food grapes. So we learn about this in lesson number 4 that it is a climber. We also learned that it is very up. That's why fox not get these grapes. So these grapes available in two colors, green and black. Here is black grapes. So what is the spelling of grapes? We have to write here. G. Then which letter come? R. A. P. E. S. So the letter which come after G, R, A, P, E, S. So what is the spelling of grapes? G, R, A, P, E, S. So we write here spelling of grapes. G, R, A, P, E, S. Now, is that a fruit or vegetable? Is that a fruit or vegetable? We use as fruit or we use as vegetable. As we learn in lesson number 4 that grapes is a fruit of the plant. So we circle the fruit. So the spelling of grape is grapes, grapes, and it is a fruit of the plant. So we circle the fruit here. Now let's see which is the next fruit or vegetable. Yes, it is a green color food and we get from plant. We also learn about this in this lesson that it is a very big food which we get from plant. So let's see which food it is. The layer of this food outside is green when the inner part of this food is red. So we also eat this food in our life every day. So which food it is? It is watermelon. So let's write the spelling of watermelon. What is the spelling of watermelon? W we have A T E R M E L O N. So the spelling of watermelon is W A T E R M E L O N. So here we write the spelling of watermelon. So now, is that a fruit or vegetable? Watermelon is a fruit or vegetable? When we eat watermelon? Yes, it is a fruit because we eat as fruit, not as vegetable. So the spelling of watermelon is here and it is a fruit of the plant. So today we learn about which is a fruit of the plant and which is a vegetable of the plant. Now let's see which is the next. Here you can see the picture of beetroot. So red color beetroot. We learn about this in when we learn about roots. So it is a root of the plant. That's why we called it beetroot. So here in spelling of this vegetable or fruit we have root. So we can identify that this is a root of the plant. So let's write the spelling of beetroot. What is the spelling of beetroot? We have B. Then which letter is missing? Yes, E. So we write here E. B double E then T, R, then which letter come? Which is missing? Yes, O. So, the spelling of beetroot is B double E T R double O T. So, the spelling of beetroot is here. So, let's write here the whole spelling B double E T R double O T, beetroot. So, we learn about beetroot. So, is that a vegetable or is that a fruit? Yes. So, we learn about beetroot that beetroot is very healthy food and it makes blood in our body. So, it is a fruit or vegetable? It is a fruit? No, we eat as vegetable. We also eat this in our food as diet food also and in salad also. So here is the spelling of beetroot and we circle the vegetable because it is a vegetable of the plant. So beetroot is vegetable we eat. Now let's see which is the next. Brown color food and it give us water. It's also available in green color. When it dry we get this brown color. Yes, it is a coconut. So coconut is the food which we get from plant, but we eat coconut also and we drink the water of coconut also, and it is also very healthy. So what is the spelling of coconut? C we have. Then which letter is missing? Yes, O. C, O. Then again C. Then which letter is missing? Yes, again O. Coco. Then N. Then U. T. So what is the spelling of coconut? C, O, C, O, N, U, T. So here is coconut. So let's write the spelling together. C, O, C, O, N, U, T. So coconut we get from plant and it is a fruit of the plant because as we know we get water from coconut. We also eat dry coconut. We also use coconut in our sweet dishes and we also get green coconut which is give us water. So coconut is a fruit of the plant and we get so many things from coconut. Let's see which is the next. Here. Yes, red color fruit we eat. Very yummy. So, which fruit it is? Yes, it is strawberry. So, what is the spelling of strawberry? It is very big spelling. So, let's write S, T, then which letter is missing? R. So, we write here R. Then W is missing. So we write here W. So what is the spelling? S T R A W B. Then E double R Y. So the spelling of strawberry is S T R A W B E double R Y. So the spelling of strawberry is here. So as we know that strawberry is a fruit of the plant. We eat as a fruit. So we also make milkshake from it and it is very yummy food. So Here you can see the fruits and vegetables which we eat in every day. So I hope you understand that which food we eat as fruit and which we eat as vegetable. So we tomorrow continue this activity and I hope you all understand. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.